Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bondi Cleaner speaking. This is a special message to someone that's very close to my heart. This I would like to wish a very beautiful birthday to my landlord, to Mphehli, to Malusi. My brothers just want to say this message to you. Please enjoy your birthday. This is a very special night for yourself, also for your family as well. Please grow up, brother, and keep on doing the best that you can do for other people as well. We're learning a lot from you, and this is just from me to you to just say enjoy your birthday and we just wish you all the best in life, all the success that you wish for and that you'd like to have.